Hello everyone, welcome to Aviator's Buzz. I'm Shweta Chopra, your makeup expert. In today's video, I'm going to do a 10 minutes makeup look, and I'm actually getting ready for my online refresher, and I thought I should create a look, for all of you. I know we are stuck in lockdown and we are all stuck at our home and we don't go out, but it doesn't mean that you don't get ready for your refresher. In today's video, I will be sharing a quick tutorial on how to do your makeup for your online refreshers. So let's get started. So I've already cleaned my face with a cleanser. I use a mild cleanser, and I make sure whenever I'm using a cleanser and whenever I'm buying a cleanser, it is paraben free and it doesn't have any sulfates, which is very harmful for your skin. And now I'm going to correct and moisturize my face. So for that, I'll be using this vitamin C serum from Mama's Earth. I've read very good reviews on this product, so I've decided to give it a try. And so the tip for using any kind of corrector is give it a good massage and then wait for a few minutes so that it can penetrate deep in your skin. Now I'm using an under eye cream from the same brand. Since the under eye area is very sensitive, make sure that you are very gentle when you're doing this step. I'm using this sunscreen from Clinique. It has 40 SPF. It is oil free, and it is little tinted, and it works very good as a primer also. So since we're doing this makeup for an online class, we'll not be using very high coverage foundation, and we'll be using a foundation which will give you light to medium coverage. So before I go for my foundation, I'll correct a little imperfection which I have on my face. I have these two acne spots which I'm going to conceal. Again, just set it with the blender. You can actually do it with your finger also. For foundation, I'm using this foundation from LA Girl. So the way you blend your foundation decides how flawless it's going to look on your skin. So keep blending. For blending your foundation, you can either use a brush or a beauty blender. It is up to your choice. So now we're done with the foundation. Now I'll be doing rest of my face, and I will be using only this palette from advise everyone to buy palettes like this. I love this palette from Benefit. It has everything inside. It has a contour shade, it has a highlighter shade, it has a blush and highlighter mix. So, and it's actually specially made for traveling. I bought it from duty free. This is like one palette to go, and if you have this palette, you can do your full face with it. And I'll be showing you how to do your full face with this one palette. I'll use this contour shade to contour my eyes. I actually mixed contour and the blush shade to use on my crease. So now I'll be using this highlighter shade on my lids with my finger. Be very gentle when you use fingers on your eyelids. You have to put very less pressure. Inner corners, I'm gonna pop the highlighter a little bit more.
So for contour, so contour shade on your index finger and your thumb, and use them in your nose like this. And see it, good to go.
And then for highlighter, I'll be using only on the tip of my That's it. Time to do our eyebrows. It's a powder brow filler from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I love this product. I'm going to use an angular brush and do the part which I love most with my eyebrows. Can you see the difference here? So now I'm going to curl my lashes, and you have to be very careful when you do this part. I normally skip using falsies when I'm doing any natural makeup or a subtle makeup. I only use falsies when I'm doing full glam makeup. So the tip for using blush is always select a brush which is not very thick or big. I like to keep my highlighter very subtle, and you can go according to your mood, and you can put more or less or whatever you feel like. Let me just put some jewelry and accessorize this look, and we are done. So this is the final look. I really hope that you like this video, and do let me know in the comment section. I would love to see all your lovely comments, and if you have any suggestions for the future video, do let us know, and message us whatever topics you want to see, and we would love to create the videos.